What's happening? What's happening?
And we just coming at you about this Yeezy drop coming to happen on the
Ye-
May 31st. Look like another Yeezy day. We don't know all the particulars, but the official photo has been leaked and set out. You know anything about the drawing?
Yeah, there's a drawing currently out there right now that is live. It's the Onyx, the 350
Okay.
Onyx. Yeah, they're live right now. Hey, he's back.
Back. You check that video out, Sneakerheads, if you haven't already. That's already out too, is the drawing of the carbon belugas. Do you have any Yeezys by chance?
Yeah, yeah. I got a pair. I got a pair right here, buddy.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, bam.
Yeah, look at that. I had these for a while.
Dang.
I had these for a
Why you trying to
while.
flex on me, Sneakerhead?
Yes, sir. Look at them.
Man, I ain't even
Yeah,
got those.
yeah, yeah. The zebra. These are my favorite ones. These are my
Oh,
favorite
for
ones
real?
here. Yeah, I love these here. So I'm looking forward to them coming back out. So I'm gonna cop
It
them
look like
again.
you've been rocking those.
Oh yeah, hey, yeah. So it's time to upgrade it. Going to get me another pair. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to that.
Okay, that's what's up.
Yeah, I'm also looking forward to the Pirates. The Pirate coming out as well. I'm looking forward to those to come out. Which ones you looking forward to releasing?
Well, I have these Yeezy slides, the black Onyx, so I'm probably looking to try to double up on a pair of these. Like I had to pay resale for these, so
Okay,
if I can get a pair for retail, that'll be nice. As you can see, I'm a big fan of the slides. I have two additional colorways right here.
okay,
I kind of got the Yeezys late, so they're new for me. So I'm excited about them. And I
yeah,
see they're dropping like at least 15 or 16 pairs. So we don't know all the details yet, but only time will tell.
yeah, yeah. Okay. Um. So are those comfortable?
Oh yeah, they're comfortable. Like they feel like you bounce. Yeah, it's an undescribable feeling. Like it feels like the softest thing you ever put your feet on. Like think about like the gym mat. Like you walk around on a gym mat. That's how I describe it. But I'm always encourage people to try them because a lot of people don't like the way Yeezys look, so they frown upon like these 380s right here that I got. It's one of my favorite shoes too. And the reason why I like the 380s over the 350s is because I'm a wide footer, and so I think these have a little bit more space in the toe
Okay,
box. You see how long that is? And
okay,
so it's more stable, in my opinion. But I never tried the 350 myself. Maybe I should. Like again, like I'm saying, I am getting into the Yeezys late, so I am excited about this release on the 31st. And they
right,
also a lot of people say that those foam runners too, that they're nice and soft too. But
okay,
I don't own any foam runners, so I would like to get my hands on maybe a pair of those as well. Try them out too. What about you,
okay.
Sneakerhead?
Hey, like I said, I'm gonna cop those the zebra again. And I may snatch up the Onyx. One thing I noticed with Yeezys is
Mm,
they look better on than on the shelf. So for
yeah,
those sneakerhead bros out there, put them on your feet, then make that call, right?
I
Because
agree. I
yeah,
agree
because
with
like I
that.
said, when they on the shelf, you may not like them, but just try them on, and you may get a different look having them on. And that's one thing I learned with the Yeezys because I wasn't a fan
Hmm.
of them. I wasn't a fan of
Right.
them at first, right? But when I
Yeah.
picked up this pair, right, I'm like, you know what? That's
Hmm.
different. Let me try them on. Actually, I tried them on just to see how comfortable. I'm like, okay, these look nice on. So yeah, yeah. So with the right outfit, right, you can get away with them, right? So for all
Yeah.
those sneakerheads out there that's knocking Yeezys, I say just try them on. Just try them
Yeah.
on and get a different, perspective of them. And then trust and believe you will turn into a Yeezy fan. So happy he's back. I'm looking forward to May 31st. This sneakerhead bro gonna be rocking them. So welcome back. Welcome back. He's back.
Hey, well, I think you about said enough. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. But if you like content like this, hit that next video right here.
Peace.